Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a website online. Start with the basics of creating your website. You can select from thousands of pre-designed templates, or if you prefer, code it yourself using languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Once your design is complete, organize all your files into a single folder. Remember to optimize your images and content. This ensures your site loads quickly, providing a smooth experience for your visitors. Next, you'll need a domain name, which is your website's unique address on the internet. Think of it like your home address. Choose something memorable and relevant to your content. You can register your domain through various registrars, often for about $10 to $15 per year. Popular extensions include .com, .org, or .net, but many others are available. Now, your website needs a home, which is where web hosting comes in. A hosting provider stores all your website's files on powerful servers, making them accessible to anyone on the internet. There are different types of hosting, such as shared hosting for smaller sites, or more robust options like VPS or dedicated servers for larger projects. Prices can range from a few dollars to hundreds per month. Finally, we connect your domain name to your web hosting using the Domain Name System, or DNS. DNS acts like a phone book for the internet, translating your human-readable domain name into a machine-readable IP address. You'll update your domain's name servers at your registrar to point to your hosting provider. This process typically takes a few minutes to a few hours to fully propagate across the internet.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.